What's going on, everybody? This is Nubs Hunts Treasure, and I got a little mystery coin bag right here. So I was shopping on Amazon the other day, and I had $23 in my cart. I'm like, I need $25 for free shipping. What should I buy? So I looked around and messed around for longer than I probably should have, but I came upon this right here. It says 50 random coins, includes one Indian head. I think they're all Wheaties. I'm not really sure. So it's only a couple dollars. I think it was like $5, $5.50 or something like that. So I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride, and we'll find out what's inside. So let's pop this guy open there. I really don't know what to expect. I mean, I'm assuming they're all, if they are all Wheaties, they're probably 40s and 50s, but you never know. It was only a couple bucks. Fancy little pouch here. That's tied in a knot. That one out. Get this little knot out. There we go. So let's see if we can get this open. I don't know if I want to dump the whole thing out or just pull out one coin at a time. Oh, we got a little baggie. Looks like they're all Wheaties. You can see inside there maybe. Looks like they're all Wheaties. Copper anyways. We got an Indian head in a little baggie. First thing I pulled out. 1905. Let's get that out of that little baggie. Doesn't need to be in that little baggie. Just an Indian head. We'll just do this. There, now he's out. So we got 1905 Wheatie right there, or Indian head. Let's just pull out one coin at a time. We'll see what we get. Well, first one out is a 1945. So let's put the 40s over here, and the 50s over here. There's 50 coins in here. Let's just dump them all out. See if we see anything kind of old. Oh, I see an oldie. Oh, I see a few oldies. A pretty nice one here. Let's look at this one. It's a 1953. 54 Denver. 56 Denver. Cool, we got a 1929 right there. Nice. Oldest so far. 1948. That's a 57. You don't need to look at that. You know what those look like. Here's a 53. Ooh, here's another oldie. Older than 40 anyways. 1939. Put that right there. 50 Denver. 56. 55 Philly. Not the double die. 45. So yeah, there's a lot of common ones in here. 48. 56. 45. Another 1939. Nice. There's an old one I see here. There's a 1935. Cool. Got a couple 30s. I'm digging it. 1946. 55. Ooh, here's a real old one. I think that's a 1918. It is. 1918 Philadelphia. Nice. We got a teens. Really wasn't expecting that. 45, 56, 51. Another 1939. The third one of those already. 48. Ooh, here's another pre-40s. Come on here. $1937, 57, 44. Another 1939. Another 1939. 44. Ooh, I see another oldie. 45, 44. 1919. Philadelphia. Like that. 1956 with a little bit of luster left on it. 57. Ooh. 1926. Second 20s. 39. 49. 52. Ooh, another 1918. There we go. Third teens. 1929. All Phillies. I didn't expect nothing. This is actually way better than I expected. 1929 right there. 53, 48, 51, 48. I see one more oldie. 45, 56, and we're going to end up on a 1917. Awesome. So, we did get 4 in the teens over here, 3 in the 20s, pretty good pile in the 30s, a lot of those are 39s, and as expected, bunch of 50s, bunch of 40s, but I'm really happy with this actually. I expected to have like all 40s and 50s for, I mean, it was only like $5. I mean, not that we got anything amazing, but to get this Indian head also in this fancy little pouch. So, that's my little side hunt, everybody. Kind of fun, something different. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.